I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today, we're in North Las Vegas, Nevada with Beazer Homes at the Cliffs at Dover community. We'll be taking a look at the Bedford model. Let's get started.
Hi, this is Rob Tuvel, General Sales Manager for Beazer Homes in Las Vegas. Today we're at Cliffs of Dover. I'm here with Crystal Ward, New Home Counselor for the Cliffs of Dover. Hi, Crystal.
Hi, Rob. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you so much for showing us around.
This is a low-maintenance townhouse community. We offer 3 different floor plans, a ton of amenities, including gated roaming security, clubhouse, pool, gym, barbecue areas, and even pay for your water bill. So at the door, I'd love to go and show you our Bedford floor plan.
Outstanding, let's go.
Right this way is our Bedford floor plan, where you have the primary bedroom downstairs. Beautiful vaulted ceilings. You also have the garage downstairs, and all of your appliances come included in here. Washer, dryer, refrigerator, blinds, garage door opener. Essentially just move all of your furniture in. So here we are in the primary bedroom. This is located downstairs. One of the first things you'll notice is your thermostat here. It is dual zoned, so you'll have thermostats for upstairs and for downstairs. You'll also notice the venting here. What this does is make sure that you don't have a room that's hot or cold. All of the temperature is going to be the same throughout. And then this way you have our ensuite. You have a choice here of whether you have a tub shower unit downstairs or the full shower, which gives you 2 seats on each side and a large walk-in closet. So here we are upstairs of the Bedford floor plan, where it can be built a few different ways. It can be built the way you see it, open down to below, or it can be extended. The pony wall can be extended and make the home 1,300 square feet, large and open, ready for entertaining. And the kitchen can also be changed. The peninsula kitchen is one of the ones that we offer versus the island kitchen the way that you see it now. That'll give you a little bit more countertop space, more cabinet space, and then lead you into the secondary bedrooms also located upstairs. And leading from the kitchen is going to be the hallway bathroom, and then your secondary bedrooms in between, along with the good sized linen closet and your secondary control for your thermostat.
I'm back in the office with Blythe Mancini and Crystal Ward.
Thanks for coming to visit us at the Cliffs at Dover. One thing I'd like to point out and share with everyone today is how we offer 3 different floor plans here at Dover, ranging from 1,000 feet to 1,300 square feet. We offer choice lenders, choice plans in terms of bathrooms, master baths, and kitchens at no extra cost. And of course, we offer surprising performance.
Thank you so much for joining me today and touring our Bedford floor plan. If you'd like to see it in person, we're located at Craig and Nellis, next to Nellis Air Force Base. Or give me a phone call, 987-0048. Again, that number, area code 702-987-0048. I look forward to hearing from you.
To learn more about this community, click the links in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.